Non-Executive Director, Joaquin T.D., Non-Executive Director, Herbert T.C., Non-Executive Director, Harley T.C., Non-Executive Director, Jose Tisho, Non-Executive Director, Margarita L. Salwan, Non-Executive Director, Philip S. L. Cha, Independent Director, Clarice Antilla, Independent Director, Gennaro D. Lapes, Independent Director, Ricardo R. Chua, the Advisor to the Board, and lastly, Leilani D. Ayamor, Corporate Secretary.
Products and services. Chinabank Savings provides various channels such as deposits and placements, consumer finance, housing finance, auto finance, SME finance, ATM and payroll services, cash management service, EPD salary loans, and mobile app. Chinabank's branch officers are ready to assist clients with their specialized banking services such as government payments, SSS pension credit, safety deposit boxes, night depository, and gift check. Chinabank corporations offer a wide range of products and services that cater to the financial needs of individuals, businesses, and institutions. So, here are some of their key offerings. Number one is the personal banking. It includes savings and checking accounts, time deposits, retail loans such as personal loans, housing loans, and car loans. It also includes credit cards, remittance and foreign exchange services, and insurance services. Now, the number two is the business banking. It includes business accounts, business loans and lines of credit, trade financing, cash management services, corporate credit cards, foreign exchange services, and treasury services.
Third is the investment and wealth management. This includes trust and asset management services, investment funds such as unit investment, trust funds, and mutual funds, treasury bills and bonds, stock and bond trading, and lastly, retirement and education planning. Fourth is the capital markets and advisory. These are the debt and equity capital market solutions, underwriting of securities, investment advisory services, merger and acquisition advisory, financial restructuring, and fifth is the international banking. These are the foreign currency deposits and accounts, trade finance and services, documentary and export letters of credit, foreign currency wire transfers, and lastly, correspondent banking services. Next is the sixth one, the electronic banking. This includes online banking, mobile banking, ATMs and cash deposit machines, phone banking, and lastly, the e-wallet and payment solutions.
I'm Danica Macy Arches and I'm here to answer the question, what are the significant contribution of China Bank in the Philippine system or to the Philippine economy? The China Bank has been a major contributor to the Philippine economy for over 100 years. They provide financial services to Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprise or MSMEs. Businesses that are under the MSMEs are the backbone of the Philippine economy, and they play a vital role in job creation and economic growth. China Bank provides MSMEs a wide range of financial products and services, including loans, deposits, and treasury products. The China Bank commits on a major role which is the promoting of the financial inclusion in the Philippines. The bank offers a variety of products and services that are designed to people to make it easier for them to access financial services regardless of their own location or their own income level.
China Bank also focuses on financial literacy, reducing financial fraud and mismanagement. Following the 2008 global financial crisis, China Bank restored the confidence in the banking sector and provided liquidity, enabling the Philippine economy to bounce back and remain competitive globally. Overall, China Bank has significantly contributed to the country's economic development through its innovative products, financial literacy, and strategic investments.
If China Bank will not perform its function, it will affect the Philippine financial system negatively. The following scenarios will be the effect or the possible effects of the closure and insolvency of the China Bank Corporation. First and foremost, the loss of a big opportunity. As a universal bank, China Bank probably has a big role in the banking system of the Philippines. If it stopped working, it would leave a hole in the market and would make it harder for other businesses to compete. Response from regulators. The government and related regulatory agencies may need to step in to protect the depositors, stabilize the financial system, and stop systematic risk. Third is the economic risk. If China Bank went out of business, if China Bank will not perform its function, it will affect the Philippine financial system negatively. The following scenarios will be the effect or the possible effects of the closure and insolvency of the China Bank Corporation. First and foremost, the loss of a big opportunity. As a universal bank, China Bank probably has a big role in the banking system of the Philippines. If it stopped working, it would leave a hole in the market and would make it harder for other businesses to compete. Response from regulators. The government and related regulatory agencies may need to step in to protect the depositors, stabilize the financial system, and stop systematic risk. Third is the economic risk. If China Bank went out of business,
over the years, China Bank Corporation has made a difference in its community, the public, and the government through its operation and products. Some notable differences include first, employment and career opportunities. The bank has provided employment opportunities to Filipinos, contributing to job creation and career development in the financial sector. This has a positive impact on individuals and their families. Second, economic development. By providing financial services to businesses and supporting economic projects, China Bank Corporation has played a role in fostering economic development and growth in the Philippines. This contributes to overall prosperity both of the local and national levels. Third is corporate social responsibility. China Bank Corporation is engaged in various CSR initiatives aimed at improving the lives of communities, promoting education, and supporting environmental sustainability. Such initiatives have had a positive impact on society and have helped address specific social and environmental issues. Fourth is taxes and government revenue. As a regulated financial institution, China Bank Corporation contributes to government's tax revenues through corporate income tax payment. This revenue is vital for funding costs, public service, and infrastructure development. Overall, China Bank Corporation has made a significant difference through its financial services, support for economic growth, CSR initiatives, employment generation, and contribution to government revenues.